Hello everyone, welcome to African Note Food. I hope everybody is well, and if it's your first time coming to our channel, we welcome you. Please do take a seat and watch what we are going to do today. So today we have a grilled tilapia. That's a request from one of my subscribers and a friend. So I'm going to make this tilapia especially for her. Kumba, this is for you. So this is our tilapia here, one large tilapia, washed and everything. I washed with lemon and water and soak it in salt, yeah, for about 20 minutes. Now I have my vegetables here. So I have one bell pepper, yeah, and then I have one scotch bonnet. I have paprika, which is green chili pepper, and then I have one onion. Not onion, sorry, ginger. I have 2 medium-sized onion, and I have 5 cloves of garlic. I have pepper here. How do you call it again? Green finger pepper or something. And I have sweet pepper here as well. And here I have rosemary and thyme. It was frozen and fresh one here. And here I have salt. And I have prawn powder, and I have oil here, yeah, 4 teaspoons of oil, vegetable oil, that I'm going to do my stew with. So I have 4 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil here, and the salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. And here for the powder, prawn powder, it's 2 tablespoons of prawn powder here. Yeah. So now I'm going to blend the pepper and all these things together, yeah, and I'll show you. So I'm cutting the onion and the ginger. Doesn't matter how you cut it, it's going to be blended anyway. And the scotch bonnets also, and then the garlic, the green chili, paprika, and these ones as well, pepper, all of it, and the bell pepper as well. Break it into small pieces, and rosemary and thyme together in here, the salt as well, the prawn powder also, and oil, all of it in there. So I'm going to blend all these things together and I'll be back. So I have finished my blending. Now I'm going to cook my mixture here. I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes, let's say 10 minutes. 10 minutes is fine. 10 minutes here. So here it's cooking still. It's been on a fire for 5 minutes now. So another 5 minutes and it will be ready. So this is it. Our mixture is ready to do our fish with. So I'm going to take them out and put it in this bowl. So I have added a bit of vegetable oil here with my paintbrush. I'm going to paint my grill with oil so my fish does not stick into the grill like that. Yeah, make sure so it goes everywhere. Yeah. Quand tu mets de l'huile, assure-toi qu'il y a de l'huile un peu partout avant de mettre ton poisson. Comme ça, le poisson ne va pas se coller à la grille. Oui. Voilà. Okay. So now I'm going to add my fish on top of it here. So here I have cut my fish here, there, like that. So the sauce can go in between and cook nicely and properly. So it will go in properly. And this fish has been seasoned with fish seasoning already here. I have added fish seasoning a bit, or you can do it with your salt as well. It goes well. Okay, let's go ahead and put the stew in. So first I'm going to open and make the stew inside, and that. The one, and it smells so nice everywhere. Put it everywhere. I'm going to turn on the side here, on the head, putting some in there as well, and here to put it in between. Make sure it goes in nicely. Everywhere, and also you do it the same on the other side. Also on the other side, the same thing before you put it in the oven. So now this is it. I'm going to put this in the oven. I have kept some of the stew on the side to go ahead on top of it every time. So this is going to go in the oven for about 30 minutes. Yeah, so I'll do 15 minutes on each side. I'll show you. Okay, so now I have turned the fish. I'm putting more stew on top of it, and the mixture that I did. Yeah, for another 10 minutes and it will be ready. So this is it. This is our fish done. Yeah, I have decorated a bit of sliced onion, and I have added fried yam also, and also tomatoes and spring onion, and also the rest of the sauce that I cooked the fish with. This is it. And we have shito here that we're going to eat with. So we're going to have this for lunch. Yeah, so what do you think, guys? And it smells beautiful. I'm gonna taste it for you guys to see. Look at this fish. Ooh. Look at this. I'm gonna taste it. The stew and the fish is beautiful. Very nice. That's it. So go and do yours. Let me know. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.